We're over here at Bourbon's Kitchen and Cocktails. We're gonna make some Tru inspired cocktails. The first one is going to be an orange mango margarita using our Tru Energy beverage. So let's kick it off here. Starting off, we got some fresh mango cubes. We're gonna toss in a couple. We're also gonna toss in half of a lime for that nice lime juice. Then we muddle. From here we have our house-made stevia simple syrup. We're gonna do 3/4 of an ounce of that. Boom. Followed by 2 full ounces of your tequila of choice. Boom. Then we ice it up. Make sure it's nice and sealed. Shake. Now we always strain over fresh ice here at Bourbon's. Glass in hand. Make sure you get a little extra space in there, because here comes the good stuff. Tru Energy. Tequila and caffeine, everyone's favorite. Garnish with a nice mango slice and lime. So the next one's pretty straightforward. It's a classic white rum cocktail, a Mojito, with our own little twist on it. So we're gonna start with a couple cubes of chopped mango in there for muddle, and we'll grab a nice, generous portion of mint leaves. 5 to 6 mint leaves should be perfect. From here, we'll grab our house-made stevia simple syrup, 3/4 of an ounce in. Boom. And grab our New England white rum here, Privateer. One of my personal favorites, but use whatever white rum you're a fan of. We got 2 ounces in. Ice. Make sure it's nice and sealed. Pop it open. Always strain over fresh ice into a Collins glass. Yeah. Double strain. And top with Tru Energy. And then garnish. Fresh wood spoon. Since our friends at Bourbon's were so nice and let us use their space here, we're going to do a bourbon cocktail called a Bourbon Smash with our very own Tru Rescue, so a blackberry bourbon smash. Start off with 4 quartered lemons, essentially just half a lemon sliced up so it's easier to muddle, and then a nice handful of mint leaves, 5 to 6 leaves. From there we'll add in our house-made stevia simple syrup, 3/4 of an ounce. And then we got a pretty classic single barrel Buffalo Trace bourbon, everyone's favorite. 2 ounces in, and then we muddle, expressing some of the oils out of the mint, but really juicing up those lemons nice. This one actually gets a dry shake, so no ice added. Make sure it's got a nice seal. Incorporate all those flavors. A wider strainer here. Pour everything out. Crushed ice in. All all the way to the top. Go short them on the crushed ice. Nice little slushy. Now this is where we add the best part. Top of Tru Rescue. And garnish. A nice mint spread right in the middle. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Really appreciate it. Definitely give us a like and a subscribe if you haven't already. You can follow us on this crazy journey.